Ayun no, nakatuwang makita na araw-araw talaga may gatong senaryo dito sa Davao City Coastal Road na mga nagtatrabaho sa ating tulay. Oo, sa ating tulay no, Bukana Bridge. Pinakamagandang Davao River Bridge. So, ibig sabihin ho niyan, talagang dire-diretso ang pagtrabaho ng natin, tulay dito sa Davao Bukana Bridge. So, update tayo dito. For today's video, pag-usapan natin itong napakagandang tulay no. So, sadya naman talagang ulitin ko, ito idadagdag sa ating skyscraper. Dadagdag sa ating magandang landmark sa Davao City no. Isa sa magandang tanawin sa itong ating tulay or Bukana Bridge or River Bridge. So, naghanap ulit tayo ng mga articles no about sa may Bukana Bridge projects, and meron tayong nakita dito na journal online na sinabi nga dito is Bukana Bridge project hits over 92% completion. So yun po yung update natin dito latest ba to syempre. So it's August no 2025 itong vlog ho natin, itong video no at this very moment. Tapos itong binasa naman natin na journal online na nagsabi nga na 92% completion na itong si Bukana. Ang galing no, 8% na lang ay madadaanan na natin to dito, magagamit na siya, matatapos na. Like ang projected kasi nito ng DPWH is siya no, projected to be complete last quarter of the year 2025. So ano ba yung last quarter, di ba? So in every year meron tayong 4 na quarter, just January, February, March ang pinaka first quarter, at ang pinaka last quarter naman ay ang October, November and December. Pero kita nyo naman August pa lang no. Second quarter of the year, third quarter pa lang tayo pero almost complete na siya. So ang galing, nakakatuwa. Like ang natin estimated, kumbaga kinuhaan kasi natin ng base dati yung ating junction 1 na coastal road dito sa Davao City sa may yan ang bago apply stretching all the way to Tulip Drive no sa may Times Beach. So kasi yun, ang predicted estimated is first month of the year 2023 ba yun o last year 2024 o basta yun yung parang projected na first quarter ko ang ending nagiging second quarter or third quarter, July yun di ba nag-open. So tama, second quarter. So ginaya natin yung ating expectation dito kasi ganoon naman talaga kapag mag-set ka ng expectation na mataas, talagang ma-frustrate ka lang. Kaya wag mo siya isagad mo doon sa pinaka very least no para hindi masyadong frustrated. So ito nga in-expect natin matatapos ito by October, November, December, pero siyempre doon na tayo sa pinakasagad, pinakadulo December ma-endorse siya sa atin no, ma-award, ma-endorse, ba tawag dyan, ma-turnover sa atin sa public use is by the month of January ng 2026. Pero kita nyo naman no, kahit pa matapos ito next month pwede na itong daanan by the month of November, di ba? August, September, October, November, pwede madaanan to kung gugustuhin no, kasi 8% na lang natitira sabi ni journal online. So basahin na natin yung kanyang sabi dito. I don't know kung ito si journal online meron ba siyang konektado ba siya sa DPWH, pero siyempre mainstream media no, so meron talaga yan silang access kahit paano. Okay, let's go to the Department of Public Works and Highways is making a significant projects on the Bukana Bridge project, a part of the Davao City Coastal Road, which aims to ease traffic congestion and enhance regional connectivity throughout the Davao region. So legit itong sinabi dito no, na talagang mag-i-impact siya sa sa matinding traffic natin sa Davao City. So madidecongest kahit paano yung natin mga main roads, main thoroughfare sa ating syudad, and of course nga ay magkakaroon siya ng meron din siyang mai-boost niya rin ang ating economic activities dito sa rehiyon ng Mindanao, kasi nga madadaanan natin tong coastal road para sa may mga business trips no, mga business travels from south, north, central part of Mindanao no. So dadaan sa Davao City. So dito na sila mas mapapadali ang kanilang biyahe, wala nang mga masyadong stranded sa traffic dahil nga sa decongested na siya, dahil meron ng mga choices itong mga private car vehicle natin yung makakadaan na sa Davao City Coastal Road no. So that's stretching 18 point something kilometers. So taas ho nun, mahagala, laking tulong ho nun sa ating mga biyahedor. So mga siyempre biyahedor, hindi naman dito pwede ang mga cargo trucks, hindi pwede dito yung mga malaki mga 10 wheelers gano'n no. So mga dito, mga private cars, mga light vehicles. So what I mean is mga light vehicles. So ibig sabihin ho nun, yung mga light vehicles imbes na magkukumpulan sila sa MacArthur Highway, CP Garcia. So from Toril papuntang Bunawan, di ba? Digo City, Davao del Sur papuntang Davao del Norte, de Oro. So imbes na yung mga private cars na yun, private vehicles, magkukumpulan, magkukuha sila ng traffic, no? Isa sila sa mag-contribute ng mahabang pila sa mga main roads na sinasabi ko na yun. Na yun nga, CP Garcia Diversion Road and CP Garcia Highway, also known as Diversion Road, no? Para malinaw, ha. So baka isipin nyo magkaiba yun. Isa lang ho yun. CP Garcia ang pinaka-official name, tapos yung local name naman ay Diversion Road. So pangalawang main thoroughfare namin dito is ang MacArthur Highway. Yun talaga yung pinakakawawa ng mga biyahedor, lalo sa gabi at madaling umaga, no? Yun yung pinakamaraming stranded ng mga sasakyan. So yung imbis na itulog mo pa, ikain mo na lang, isasakay mo na ng jeep, biyahe mo na papuntang trabaho, eskwela, kasi malilate ka talaga. So kailangan mong magbigay ng isang oras, no, na adjustment, parang ganun, allowance sa travel, or else malilate ka talaga. So ngayon hindi na mangyayari yun kasi meron na nga ito, mag-o-open na siya. So malaking tulong ho ito. So agree, no, sa sinabi ni Journal Online na a key part of Davao City Coastal Road which aims to ease traffic congestion and enhance regional connectivity throughout the Davao region. Okay, so in his inspection report to Secretary Manuel Bunuan, Senior Undersecretary Emil Quisadain, in charge of the PWH infrastructure flagship projects, confirmed that the China Aid localized project of Davao River Bridge, commonly known as the Bukana Bridge project, is on track for full completion by the last quarter of 2025. The project has now reached 92.3% construction progress. Oy, asan na yan? Yan, sorry. The Bukana Bridge construction is moving steady with about 3 to 4% progress each month, and we expect it to be 95 complete by July 2025. This, wait lang, ano to? Okay, expected to be complete or to be 95% complete by July 2025. So tapos na tayo mag-July pero nasa 92.3 pa rin siya. So not bad. No, okay na yan. No, perfect performance pa rin para sa akin yan. So making travel in and out of Davao City faster and easier and strengthening the overall road network in the Davao region, sabi ni Senior Undersecretary Sadain. Ito palang binasa natin is dated nung June 28, 2025. So ibig sabihin ganun siya ka latest, no, na issue, or ibig sabihin yung journal, yung column na interview nila si Emil Quisadain, yung ating Senior Undersecretary in charge of the PWH of infrastructure flagship projects. So the Bukana Bridge construction is moving steadily with okay, so tapos na basahin niya kanina. Saan na ba tayo noon? So the Bukana Bridge project features a 4-lane 6-span 4-lane 6-span extradosed bridge stretching 480.20 meters across the Davao River. The total project length reaches 1,340 meters when including the approach roads. Bukana Bridge is more than just an infrastructure project. It stands as a symbol of international cooperation and shared commitments to inclusive and sustainable development under the Bagong Pilipinas vision of President Ferdinand R. Marcos, with a contract cost of, so paano to naging Bagong Pilipinas vision ni President Ferdinand Marcos, di ba to, di ba ito ay naka-budget na, ibig ko sabihin 100% na meron na siyang pera, may pondo na, batas na to, no. So ito ay isang batas na talaga to na magkaroon ng tulay dito. Ba't ba tawag dyan? Hindi na siya pwedeng ipa-cancel, di ba? So parang wala talaga dapat pasalamatan kay BBM. So bakit niya naman to binago ang pangalan? Ito under build project to, ha, sa Davao. Oo. BBM, ha. Nang credit grab ka na naman, pero sige na, hayaan na natin. Ang mahalaga may tulay tayo dito. Hindi credit grab lang siya, yan na naman ang kaya niyang gawin. Nothing less, nothing more. Okay, with the Bukana Bridge is more than just infrastructure. Okay, with a contract cost of 3.1 billion, the project funded through a China Aid grant under the Official Development assistance program from the government of People's of Republic of China. Senior Undersecretary Sadain visited the site on June 27, 2025 to assist ongoing construction progress and provide technical insights. Asan na yun? He was joined by project directors Rodrigo I. De Los Reyes of the Unified Project Management Office, Bridges Management Clusters, UPM o BMC, and Benjamin B. Bautista of UPM or Roads Management Cluster 1, along with the Bukana Bridge Project team led by Acting Project Manager Norifil TDG Kajang and Project Engineer John Christian Tigadin. You know, so representative of the project contractor China Road and Bridge Corporation, as well as the construction supervision consultant, a consortium comprising CCCC Highways Consultants Incorporated and the Chinese Project Management Company were also present so during the site walkthrough. Yun, no? So yun yung mga panauhin, no, na samahan ng Journal Online. A major milestone was achieved on June 26, 2025 with the successful installation of stake cables across all 5 piers, making the completion of one of the project's most complex structural components. Additional key accomplishments include the completion of structural connections between abutment 0 and Pier 1, as well as Pier 1 and Pier 2, ongoing sub-base laying and compaction at approach road, alongside construction of drainage system and concrete fencing and slope protection works at abutment. Okay. The DPWH, UPM, BMC and its contractor are also preparing for the connection between Pier 2 and Pier 3 is scheduled for July 2, 2025, and the connection between Pier 5 and Abutment 1. When final deck connection is targeted for July and substantial work nearing completion, the Bukana Bridge project will soon become a transformative infrastructure asset by the end of 2025. So, you know, we're done. So, ibig sabihin ho yan is nasa ano na siya. Ang sabi nga ni Sadain, no, na email Sadain, no, yung ating DPWH na in-interview siya by June 28, 2025. So tapos na yung July. So sabi niya by July daw magkakaroon ng at least 95% daw na completion growth or completion rate or gano'n, no, development yung itong ating tulay. Magiging 95% complete na siya, pero ang nangyari it's August na siya, pero ang kanyang completion rate is nasa sa 92.3%. So yes, hindi man siya umakma doon sa kanyang sabi na prediction na by July is maging 95, pero at least not bad na siya, no. So 92.3, galing pa rin. So good job, no, China Roads and Bridges Projects Construction, good job DPWH, good job sa lahat ng mga bumubuo, no, sa paggawa nitong natin Davao City Bukana Bridge, di ba? So ang galing lang. So congratulations sa atin lahat mga Davoenyo, mga Pilipino, Mindanaoans. So wagi tayo dito sa proyekto na to. So ganito dapat lagi ang ng gobyerno. So salamat at Digong. So thank you sa inyong project na gaya nito na napakaganda and very useful, of course. Yung project talagang pinag-isipan at pinaghandaan. Pang matalinuhang project talaga to. So thank you for watching. So sana ay nagustuhan nyo. Ano masasabi nyo dito? Madadaanan na ba natin to by the month of October, November, December? Pwede na ba tong i-advance ang paggamit? Ibig sabihin, bakit pa natin aantayin ang turnover sa January 2026 kung pwede naman palang, kung matatapos na din pala next month, no, by the month of, or this month of August, or by the month of September? Ibig sabihin, daanan na natin by the month of October or November, di ba? Pamasko na sa atin to, baka naman, no, pamasko sa mga taga Davao. So bigyan niyo na kami ng magandang tulay. Dadaanan na natin yan by the month of December. So thank you for watching and bye bye, ingat sa